Our student has everything over there. So in continuation of the lecture on metalworking, so today I would like to discuss about metalworking machine tools and their operations. Objective at the end of this study session is to be able to understand the operation of each metalworking machine tools, to be able to understand the cutting tools of each metalworking machine tools as well, safety precautions to observe during the usage of metalworking machine tools. Processes used for machine parts to plane dimensions are the metallic part can be machined to plane dimension with subtractive and manufacturing processes like turning, shaping, drilling, boring, sawing, grinding, broaching, reaming, hobbing, and routing. So these are the diagrammatical representation of operation of the lathe machine, whereby this one is a milling machine operation. Here's a planer machine, whereas also lastly this one is shaping machine. Diagrammatical representation. Classification of machine tools. Machine tools can be classified into two, broadly classified into two: conventional machine tools and computer numerical control machines. So the conventional machines always require a human operator to control the machine part for feeding of tool posts and drilling chalk against rotating workpiece and others, whereby in relation to computer numerical control machine, CNC machine, it requires machine software to control the machine part for feeding of tool posts and drilling chalk against rotating workpiece and others. And the conventional machine tools required it's not expensive like a CNC machine, whereby CNC machine is very expensive. And the conventional machine tools is controlled by highly skilled and experienced operator needed to machine the quality parts, whereby for the CNC machines only little skill and experienced operator are needed to machine quality workpiece. Conventional machine tools demand much labor. An operator cannot operate more than a machine at a time, whereby in relation to the CNC machine, it does not demand much labor. An operator can operate multiple machines with little work experience. And also the conventional machine tools, in terms of mass replication of identical parts is difficult with conventional machine tools, whereby when you are talking of CNC machine can produce mass production, mass replication, and identical parts is easily with CNC machine. So CNC machine really require machine software to control the machine parts for feeding of tool posts and drilling chalk against rotating parts. So this is a old machine tools, and this one is a new machine tools controlled by computer numerical control. Description of drilling machine. So the drilling machine are primarily used to drill holes. It can be further used for boring, reaming, counter-boring, counter-sinking, and tapping operation. So type of drilling machines are sensitive drilling machine, pillar drilling machine, radial arm, gang, multi-spindle, and deep hole. So this diagram here is a sensitive drilling machine, whereby this one is a radial arm drilling machine. So the drilling machine operation are determined by the structure of material to drill, hole size, quality, feed speed required, depth of the hole, and need of coolant. This is the determinant of the drilling operations. So drilling machine operations and their tools. The type of operation you want to carry out will determine the type of tool you are going to look for. So for drilling operation, we make use of the drilling bit. For reaming operation, we make use of the reamer. For the boring, we make use of the boring tools. For counter boring, make use of the counter boring tool. And counter sinking, we make use of counter sinking tool. And tapping, make use of the tap for that operation. Likewise, in relation to the other operations, these are this is a counterboring, countersinking, combination of countersink and counterboring, and this reamer, whereby this one is a boring as it is standalone. That's the two list of the tools, and this one is a drill bit. And when they are fit into the work, this is the diagram of it. So the drilling operations and its tools are displayed here. Sewing machine, the next machine tool that's commonly available in the machine tool shop, sewing machine. That's the sewing machine. As you are using your hacksaw to cut metal into pieces, so also in terms of mass production, you can use the sewing machine. So the sewing machines are used to cut metals and other material to require length and shapes. So type of sewing machine are arc sewing machine, vertical band sewing machine, and reciprocating sewing machine. So this one is a reciprocating sewing machine, whereby this one is a arc sewing machine, power arc sewing machine, and this one is a vertical band sewing machine. So the reciprocating sewing machine used to rotate in a circular motion, and the metal saw that's the saw used for the sewing machine. They depend on the type of sewing machine you want to use. So this arc sewing machine is making use of the straight saw blade, whereby the reciprocating sewing machine is making use of the circular. And for band saw, vertical band machine, this one is making use of continuous shape. So the type of saw to fit into machine is determined by the type of the sewing machine you are going to use. Here is a sewing blade. This one is a hacksaw blade. It's very straight. You can see how it fits into the work here. And this one is a continuous band saw for band sewing machine, whereby the circular blade is for the circular sewing machine, reciprocating machine. So the next machine we would like to discuss about is a lathe machine. So lathe machine is used to transfer material to different profile shapes, parts evenly about an axis of rotation. So lathe machine are used for boring, reaming, counterboring, countersinking, tapping operations. Even the operations of the drilling machine is a subset of the operation of the lathe machine. Type of lathe machine are center or universal lathe, turret, capstan, multi-spindle, multiple tool, semi-automatic and automatic. So this one are center lathe. This one is a table type center lathe, whereby this one is a floor type center lathe, and this one is a turret. This one here is a turret lathe, and this one is a capstan lathe machine. Lathe machines and lathe machine operations and tools. So this is a diagram of a workpiece, and this is a tool for straight turning, and this one is a taper turning. If you want to generate a conical shape, we call it taper turning, and this one is a profiling. If you want to generate like this type of shape, we call it profiling, and you can see how the tools are positioned and they are moving. And also this one is a turning and external grooving. This is a grooving tool to generate this shape. And also this one is a face turning. These are how the tool move to face turn. And also face grooving is a tool and the workpiece. So how this one they are referred to as turning. There are different type of turning, and as well this one is a cutting with the turn tool, whereby this one is a boring. Here's a workpiece, and this is a boring tool that moves in to generate the boring. And also here's a drill bit, and it's a workpiece for drilling operation. And this one is a cutting off operation with a cutting off tool. And here's a threading. You want to generate either either internal threading or external threading, whereby this one is a external threading. You can see the tool and the work profile. And this one is a nollie. If you want to generate a grip effect on your material. So this is a set of tool with a tip. This one, the tip can be removed. It can be a carbide tip, it can be a diamond tip, has a removable tip, whereby this one is not removable. It has been brazed to the handle, to the stock. The next machine is a milling machine. Milling machine removes material from the workpiece surface with rotary cutting tool. It's a milling machine. So most common type of milling machine at academic station are horizontal milling machine, vertical and universal milling machine. Here is the diagram of it. So this one is horizontal milling machine. What makes it to be horizontal is that this spindle is horizontally positioned, and this one here is a vertical milling machine. What makes it to be vertical is that this one is a universal milling machine. But the universal milling machine can be used for both purposes. So this one is horizontal position of it, and this one is a vertical head. So that's why it's referred to as a universal milling machine. So this machine can perform the operation of these both machines at the same time. So the milling machine operation are classified into face milling, plane milling, angular milling, and form milling, respectively. Milling machine operations and its tools. These are for the vertical milling machine. This is the vertical head, and it has its own tools. These are how its tool look like. The tool look like it has a stock like the drilling machine tool. So this one is a slot drill. This one is a hand mill tool. This one is a dovetail tool. This one is a reverse dovetail, and this one is a wood center tool and ball end cutter. So all the tools here, they are used for vertical milling machine. And also this one is a horizontal milling machine tool. They have different type based on different operations to be carried out successively. So this one is a wood rough cutter for the horizontal. This one is a gear cutter. This one is oboe cutter. This one is a dovetail cutter. So depending on the type of operation you want to carry out, will determine the type of tool you select and determine the type of machine you are going to use for the operation. Another machine tools that are available in the machine shop is referred to as shaping machine. So shaping machine is the reciprocating type of machine tools. It is also called shaper and belong to the family of reciprocating machine tools. So application of shaping machine in contemporary industry has been generally superseded by the grinding and milling machine practices. So the shaper is operationally used to generate flat surfaces like keyways, straight gears, slotting, pocketing, and dovetail slides. Shaping machine are either horizontal or vertical form. A vertical shaping machine is also referred to as slotting machine. So this one is a horizontal shaping machine, whereby this one is a vertical shaping machine, which is also can be referred to as slotting machine. Here is the shaping machine operations and tools. So the shaping machine can be used to generate a plane surface of this way, and here's a cutting tool move in this direction and also can generate this shape. Here, this horizontal surface, this one is a vertical surface. You can see the position of the tool and the profile of the tool. And also can be used to generate inclined surface like a V shape or dovetail shape. In this one, that's inclined surfaces. And all this one, they are set of the tools. Depending on the type of operation you want to carry out, will determine the type of tool you select for the operation. So the next machine is a planing machine. So the planing machine and shaping machine, they look alike in terms of their positioning. But for the planing machine, is the table that reciprocating, whereby for the shaping machine, the head, the core arm reciprocating to and fro. But for the planing machine, is the table that moving reciprocating, whereby the head remains stationed. So a planing machine uses the relative motion between the cutting tool and the workpiece that is linear in nature. It differs from the shaper as the planer involves the movement of the workpiece compared to the movement of the cutting tool. So for the shaping machine, the cutting tool is the one that's reciprocating to and fro. But here for the shaping is the table that reciprocating. The table that carries the workpiece is the one that's reciprocating against the fixed tool. So the heavy duty planing machine, as the name suggests, is used for bulky jobs. So the job that is very heavy is usually machined with the planing machine. So it is used for producing flat surfaces on the workpiece that is too large and heavy. This is the shaping machine, the planing machine, and their parts. So the shaping machine and planing machine, they are making use of the same type of tools, tool profile, and they are using to generate the same operation like a shaping machine. Computer numerical control machine. As the name implies, that's CNC machine control, computer numerical control machine. So the CNC machine requires management of the machine software by the operator. The numerical function of the machine executes the movement of the machine tool and workpiece. So this one is a programmed machine tools. It's programmed. It's operated by GM code. So you use the code to program it based on the profile of the workpiece you want to produce or to machine. So this one is a CNC lathe machine. So all the conventional machine tools that we have that discussed before, all of them have their own computer numerical control type. There is a latest technology machine tools now. So these are the computer numerical control machine. This one is a shaping, this one is milling, CNC milling machine, this one is CNC shaping machine, and this one is a CNC axle machine. So they are programmable machine. They use a computer program to program your workpiece and execute the work. Okay, let us talk about the general safety on metalworking machine tools. So the general safety, each machine tools have their own unique safety to observe. Likewise, they have a general safety. So the general safety that peculiar is what should be avoided. What should you avoid doing when using metalworking machine? So do not distract an operator. Horseplay can lead to injury and so be strictly prohibited. Do not wear loose clothing, gloves, necktie, rings, bracelets, and other jewelry that can become entangled on moving parts. Tie back and confine long hair. Do not remove cotton by hand. Wait on the machine has stopped running to clear cotton with a vacuum, brush, or rake. Do not leave machine running unattended. Turn power off. Do not free a stall cutter without turning the power off first. Do not clean hand with cotton fluid. Do not use rag near moving parts of machine. Do not use compressed air to blow debris from machine or to clean dirty from cloth. All these are general safety that are peculiar to metalworking. So if you want to know more about the specific safety precaution for each different machine, here is the website you visit to know more about the safety precaution that are peculiar to each machine tools. Thank you all for your attention and God bless you. Have a nice day. Till next lecture, have a blessed moment always.